here to end it all. Everything is people, right?
Hey.
Yes. What about our
Hey. Hey.
That's very nice. Yes, don't worry, we'll take over everything that belongs to us. Yes. That's very nice. Don't worry. She has signed all the documents. She didn't know that she was just willing all her properties to me.
Hey,
I'm now the heir to everything that belongs to her, even her estate. Thank you, my love. Yes. Don't worry, she will sign the document. The document is ready here.
Okay. Yes.
Yes. So, let me go and bring her. Yes. My love. Yes, we got her. Don't worry, just relax. Immediately she eats this.
Yes.
But the document is ready. She will sign it before we do that thing. Let me bring her.
Okay.
So she can come and eat.
Yes.
That's right. I'm coming. My love! Let's go, okay? Take it easy. Let's go.
Okay. Is the food ready? I'm
yes.
really famished.
Don't worry. I made your favorite, okay?
Okay. Which way to the dining room?
Let's go. Like this. This way. This way. Let's go. This way. Okay. Yeah. Have your seats. Okay? Relax.
Okay. Where is the food?
See your food, yeah. Yes. That's the food, yes. That's nice. See the food, yeah, yes.
I hope it's delicious. I trust you.
Don't you know me again? So you don't know your love again?
I trust you.
Okay, let's eat. You can eat. Enjoy your meal.
Are you alone here? Nobody's here with us. I feel like I'm sensing somebody.
No. It's only me, you and I.
Hope you like it.
Yes, it's very delicious.
Yes, she will like it.
Are you sure you're alone? I'm hearing voices.
No, it's only you and I.
Yes, it's my phone. I was watching a video on my phone.
Okay.
Yeah. So your husband knows how to cook very well.
You're the best.
Thank you.
I need water.
Okay. On it?
Yeah.
You know, it's high time you will your company to me, you know. I told you last time that you see, that your manager, I don't trust him. And you know, now that you are in this condition, you should need somebody that will take over everything. That somebody that can be competent enough to handle your business and that thing.
Babe, you don't need to panic. Ramson has been my manager for a very long time and he knows how to handle the company very well.
See, honey, Ramson is not competent enough. You're the woman, I'm a man, I know what I'm saying.
Tell her that he uses the money to chase women.
You see? Ramson, I know I've seen him in several occasions where he's going around with women, lavishing your company's money. And it's not appropriate.
Oh my God. Ramson, I don't know Ramson to be that harsh. He's not a womanizer. I've worked with him.
Yes.
Can he change all of a sudden?
Only he changed the moment he became blind. You see? Since the first day you became blind, he has been lavishing your money, spending lavishly. He bought his wife a new car. Can you just imagine?
What?
From where? From which salary? How much is his salary?
He even bought a land of 2.25 million naira. Tell her.
I got an information from an estate manager that he bought a land that is worth is it 30 million naira, and he bought like three plots. Where is he going to get such money from?
Jesus.
His salary is not able to get such piece of property.
You know, I would.
Okay, no problem. Now, you hope you enjoy the food, right? You see? I don't know if you can sign the document now before you finish it. Just sign it now, okay? You don't have much time.
Let me eat.
But don't worry, I want to call him so that you can start preparing to leave the office, okay?
Where is the pen?
Yes, see the Bible here. Just wait. Just sign here. Here. On the sign.
Honey, I can hear somebody coughing. Who is there?
It's me. Yeah. No. Yeah.
Honey,
My lord.
is someone here with us?
No. It's me.
Somebody is coughing.
Yes, I'm the one coughing. It's my voice.
That is not your voice. I can sign it later. Just take some water.
Yes.
Okay?
Honey? You didn't finish your food. What?
My stomach is biting me.
What's wrong with you?
Honeymoon is here with us.
What?
My stomach is biting me.
What's wrong with you?
Honeymoon is here with us.
Nobody. It's only me.
Baby, I'm hearing voices. Somebody talk to me. What is going on?
So yeah.
What is going on, baby? Is everything alright?
Everything is fine, honey.
I'm scared. What is going on?
What's it?
Honey, touch me.
Calm down, okay?
Who are you telling to calm down, please?
I don't know, something is biting my stomach. I'm getting confused right now. I don't know, I'm talking to myself.
I need to call the doctor. Just dial the doctor number. Just dial doctor's number, please.
When you finished your food and nothing happened to you.
Was something supposed to happen to me?
Sorry.
Was something supposed to happen to me?
No, it's a mistake. It was a slip of tongue.
What's going on?
I need to call the doctor. Hello? Doctor, pick up. Oh, doctor, pick up. Doctor, pick up.
Asatus!
Yeah. Honey?
Baby!
Honey?
I can see! I can see!
Honey, what is happening? I don't understand.
Baby, what is going on? What is my maid, or did I need to with us?
Honey, what do you mean by you can see? You are blind. You're supposed to be blind. Honey.
Wait, hold on. What is going on? Honey, Asa! Baby, talk to me. What is going on? Asa is not talking. What is going on?
I'm supposed to be asking you what's going on. You are supposed to be the one in this condition, okay?
I'm supposed to be the one in this condition. Why? Because your husband poisoned your food. Jesus! Who are you?
Yeah.
Your husband here connived with your house help Asatus to poison you, and we swapped the food to the both of them. Jesus!
Who is talking? Who is talking to you there?
You tried to spike my food. You laced my food. Why?
Honey, I'm sorry.
You were planning it with our mate.
Honey, I'm sorry.
Jesus!
Honey, forgive me.
My properties, my documents.
Honey, please.
So this is who you are.
Honey, I'm sorry.
I trusted you with my love, my heart, my everything, my properties.
Honey.
All you could do is to lace my food with my own maid.
Honey, I'm sorry.
So you have been having an affair with my maid under my nose.
Honey,
You know what?
Honey, I'm sorry. And I'm sorry for having an affair with our maid. I'm sorry for trying to lace your food.
You know
Please
what?
don't forgive me. Just take me to
I'm
the
going to
hospital.
call the police.
Honey, please don't call
With your own phone.
Call the hospital, please.
Hello, Inspector.
Honey, please.
Please hurry up, come to my place. There are two criminals here that need to be jailed before they... Wait. Wait up! Just go, I'm ready to do. Just call the ambulance. Everything is recorded. I have CCTV cameras. There is something that happened in my house. Just hurry, come with the ambulance. Come and take these people away. Come and take them away. You both got what you deserved. I entrusted everything I have to you. If not because of these guardian angels, I would have been gone for now. I need to look for an ambulance. I need to... Oh my goodness.